Exercise number 2, DNS records, DNS or domain name system. Records translate human readable domain names into numerical IP addresses. Various types of DNS records serve distinct purposes, including the address record, which maps a domain name um, to an IPv4 address, and the mail exchanger record, which specifies mail servers for the domain. Other record types such as CNAME and TXT and NS provide additional information about domain aliases, text data, and authoritative name servers respectively, collectively forming a comprehensive framework for efficient and accurate domain resolution. In this exercise, we will discover the DNS server manager on ACID C01. Okay. For task number 1, add a CNAME record. A CNAME DNS record is used to create an alias for a domain, allowing it to point to another domain's canonical or primary name. This record is particularly useful when implementing services that need to be accessible under multiple domain names while maintaining a single point of origin. In this task, we will create and test a CNAME record. Okay? So connect to AC ID C01. Um, natin to. Okay, tools. And then select DNS. And then double click this. And then double click the forward lookup zones. And then the double click this. Okay, right click the asiplove.com. Then select new alias. And then type here M12 underscore CNAME. And then browse. Okay, record, on the records, double click here. And then double click also this. And then asiplove, double click. And then scroll down, select here. The 01, no? Okay, then okay. And then okay. Observe the new M12 CNAME, which is this record that has been added to the asiplove.com forward lookup zone. Okay, connect to ACIWIN 11 and then search CMD. Okay, type ping acid C01, enter. Okay, and then type ping M12 underscore CNAME, enter. Okay, and then close, connect to here. So exercise number 3, IPv6 configuration. IPv6 configuration with dual stack involves the simultaneous support of both IPv4 and IPv6 protocols on a network interface, allowing devices to communicate using either protocol as needed. Stateless address auto configuration is a method in IPv6 where devices automatically configure their own addresses by combining the network prefix received from the router with their interface identifier. This simplifies the assignment process without the need for a DHCP server. In this exercise, we will enable SLAAC and create a dual stack network interface. Okay, task number 1, enable SLAAC IPv6 addressing. Stateless address auto configuration allows devices to automatically configure their IPv6 addresses without the need for a DHCPv6 server. Windows operating systems use SLAAC in conjunction with router advertisements to derive the network prefix and create unique interface identifiers for IPv6 addresses. In this task, we will enable SLAAC IPv6 addressing. Okay. Um, Search CMD and then type ipconfig space slash all, enter. Okay, and then on the taskbar, network icon. Okay, search network icon. Where's network pala? Oh, wait. That, oh, here na. Okay, okay, here. Network and internet setting. And then select change adapter options. Okay, on the Ethernet, right click, and then properties. Okay, select the text box, Internet Protocol version 6 here. And then select properties. Okay, configuring TCP IPv6 settings allows users to set parameters such as IPv6 addresses, gateway information, and DNS server preferences for a specific network interface. Observe that the interface is configured to obtain its own IPv6 address automatically. This employs SLAAC. In the Internet Protocol version 6 properties window, select cancel. Select OK. And then select uh, command prompt and then type okay. type ipconfig space all, enter. So here. And then let's close network connections, close network status. Okay, well, we are done. We have completed the implementing IPv4 network services practice lab. In this module, we explored the implementation of IPv4 network services to include the installation and configuration of a DCHP server, the addition of a DNS record to the DNS forward lookup zone, and the creation of a dual stack on a network interface. Pagod na ako.